Managing a transporting company is about more than just keeping all trucks loaded on the road. You have your hands full of complex business processes that are much to handle.
This video will help you understand the transport management system Dynamics Trans better and how it consolidates all operations.
The solution provides an overview of fleet management, cost control, quotations, orders, planning of execution, fuel management, reporting, and integrations with external systems. The platform merges Microsoft Dynamics ERP Power with our valuable know-how of road transportation in order to deliver a unified platform for efficient business management. Now let's take a closer look. Dynamic Trans allows you to keep track of all activities related to company vehicles and drivers. There is detailed information with all vehicles and drivers' characteristics. You can easily track the expiry dates of licenses, insurance documents, professional and personal identity documents, vehicle leasing payments. Also, Dynamics Trans generates reminders for renewal. Here you can manage insurance events related to cargo or the vehicle, oversee service schedules, and monitor your fleet maintenance. Our software solution keeps record of all service activities performed for each company vehicle. Whether you use in-house repair services or external third-party services, you can keep track of all accidents, repairs, spare parts orders, man-hours, and more. You can also monitor the lifespan and mileage of tires. Through Dynamics Trans, a transportation order can be created as part of a contract with initially determined prices and conditions or as part of an approved quote. If there is a long-term partnership with a customer, its conditions can be defined in a contract. You can set special prices for agreed destinations, track contract clauses, and perform profitability analysis of the concluded contracts. In case there isn't an agreement in the system after registering an inquiry, a quote can be prepared for every deal. Dynamics Trans helps you provide the best possible quote for any inquiry based on historical data. You can manage all types of shipments such as full truckload, less than truckload, or parcel. Take a look at how to keep the full history of each transportation order and all related data so you can plan precisely. It has a tree structure of the services and flexible pricing. You can also track the location and status of the freight from its pickup till its delivery. Lacking control over costs is a frequent challenge among transporters. Dynamics Trans helps you organize all your operations so you can get a maximum profitability of every single trip. It optimizes the sequence of loading and unloading points so that trip expenses and execution time are optimized. Also, you can carry out reporting on capacity, tonnage, profitability, and more. Thanks to the integration with the online map, there are GPS coordinates for each location. Dynamics Trans calculates the distance from point A to point B. It also gathers historical data about the costs of every shipping. This functionality provides reliable inventory of the fuel loaded and available on trucks. Dynamics Trans compares the actual fuel consumption versus the planned consumption by norm. You can track the all harmful emissions too. Manage all toll taxes from a single place. The solution provides you with clear visibility on the toll taxes for every single trip, categorized by type and in a selected currency. Manage the driver's wages. Set up your rates in respect of different types of work. You can automatically calculate the driver's paycheck per trip based on this setup. Integrate your accounting documentation for effective management of financial operations. You can issue invoices per defined period or per completed order. Dynamics Trans is flexible and you can choose your best option. All documents which are filed in during the transportation are automatically reflected in the accounting documents. Compile information from different sources and gain real-time visibility on business performance in easy-to-navigate reports. You could create standard or customized reports based on KPIs such as trucks and drivers' performance, customers, periods, budgets, and more. Integration with any external system. GPS, DKV, Shell, owned gas stations, online map, transport platforms, and many more.
Find out more about the transport management system. Get on dynamicstrans.com and contact our solution experts.